Hello and welcome to Simple Beauty Tips by Aditi. Today's pack is a very simple yet very effective pack which is going to solve most of your skin concerns for the winter season. The ingredients here are going to leave your skin extremely hydrated, glowing, reduce pigmentation and add a luster to your skin, which is perfect for the festive season as well. So let's see what goes into this pack. We are going to begin with using raw milk. Raw milk can be used as a facial and body cleanser. Milk has lactic acid, vitamin A, D, E and K, and also a lot of protein. Milk is going to help in mildly exfoliating your skin, and also it is going to hydrate your skin, making it very soft. Next we are going to be adding glycerin. Here I am using 100% pure vegetable glycerin. Glycerin you can easily find at the medical store. Glycerin is great for the skin because it acts as an humectant and it allows the skin to retain moisture. It increases skin hydration, it relieves dryness and refreshes the skin surface. It is an emollient, that is why it makes your skin really very soft. Next we are going to be adding turmeric. Here I am using natural white turmeric. If you don't have this, you can use the turmeric that is available in your kitchen. However, I would suggest that you do a patch test on your skin to see if it leaves a yellow stain. In case your turmeric has yellow food coloring, it could stain your face. So I would recommend doing a patch test. However, turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. It provides a beautiful glow and luster to your skin. So I would encourage adding turmeric to this face pack. But again, please do check if it does not stain your skin. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to add vitamin C. Either you can use the juice of half a lemon or you can use vitamin C powder. Vitamin C is excellent for the skin because it improves and promotes collagen production. It diminishes fine lines. It makes the skin firm and youthful looking. As it also is an antioxidant, it protects the skin cells from damaging free radicals caused by the exposure to the sun. This is also very good if you have any sort of pigmentation or scars. Using vitamin C is going to help reduce the pigmentations and it is going to help reducing the scars as well. Also, it works great for under eye circles. So now let's see how to put all this together in a pack. We add 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, or 1/4 spoon of vitamin C powder. We are going to mix that well into a nice smooth paste. We are going to apply this on our face, including the under eye area, but just be careful that it does not enter your eyes. We are going to put it on our hands and feet and we are going to leave it for 20 minutes. Wash it off with cold water and you are left with beautiful looking skin. The links for all the products that I have used in this video you will find in the description box below. Thank you so much.